Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to walk you through on how to install and set up EventBrite Action Automation for workflows in your sub account. Once you're in your sub account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Click on Install and you click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, refresh your tab and you click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to the documentation. We have access to the smart queue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. Here your app has not yet been connected. No worries. We are going to walk you through on how to connect the app. Copy the redirect URL and head to your account online. Go to your profile, click on the account setting, go to the developers link, and you click on the API key. Click on create API key. You enter the first name. You can give it a last name. We give it a company name. Paste the redirect URL. We give it an application name. And we give it a description. We give a description. And then you toggle this on and you create your key. Once your key has been created, click on Show API Key. Copy the client secret, copy the key, head to your sub account. Click on Start Setup. You paste the key here. You head back to the account, copy the client secret, and you paste. Then you click on Complete Setup. There you go. Your app has been successfully connected and set up. Click on Allow. And you head back to your sub account. You will see that the app has been connected successfully. We have the support center where you can create a ticket for our support team. And you can as well book a call with our support team. We have the changelog. At the level of the changelog, you will see all the necessary notifications or all the necessary updates concerning the app. And to receive notification, toggle the notification button, insert your email, and you click on the subscribe button. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and remember, our support team is available 24/7 to give you extra help. Thanks so much for watching.